Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Squiin, and I am back with another video. Now I'm a little tired and I don't really feel like doing a video, but this is beyond necessary and it's way overdue. Yes, I have a sneaker to unbox, but it's not for me. It's not mine. It's something I passed on. I'll probably put it in the thumbnail just to get you guys to click and watch. But the purpose of this video, the reason I don't even care about opening this box. I have to give a special shout out to my boy Squiin. These drop fronts I'm sitting in front of, like, I keep walking into the room and seeing these things, and it just dawned on me. Go subscribe to my boy Squiin's channel. I'll put the link to his channel down in the description box below, obviously. But I want a giveaway. He did a giveaway on his channel for a box. So 6 drop fronts. I never thanked him on camera. I never shouted him out on my channel. And that is extremely disrespectful. He didn't reach out to me and say anything about it. He's actually liked some of my posts and different things like that over these past like 2 or 3 weeks since he sent me these drop fronts, and never said anything about it. But it just dawned on me, and I just wanted to sincerely apologize to my boy Squiin. Go subscribe to his channel. Y'all can roast me in the comment section down below, but it was it's just a lapse in memory. I'm getting old. But I wanted to thank you, man, personally, for sending me the drop fronts, the 6 drop fronts that you did, adding to the much needed collection. I just wanted to get that out there. That's the reason for this video. I'm gonna unbox this, but I wanted to get that out there first. Roll the intro.
It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock and maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Alright, y'all, now that we done got that out of the way, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. Now, we do have a box in today. These were some sneakers that I passed on. These are the Jordan DMP 6s. Were not necessary for me. I know these were highly sought after by a lot of people, regardless of how many pairs were made, regardless if they're on their 333rd restock. People still really wanted this sneaker, man, just because of this nostalgia, what it represents, defining moments and all of that. If you don't know what DMP stands for, it's Defining Moments Pack, because these came in a pack back in the day with a Concord 11 that had a few minor adjustments to the Concord. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all of that. These were not necessary for your boy's collection. So shout out to everybody that went for these. I got these for a friend of mine, young lady that I went to school with and in high school, and these are our alma mater's colors, man. My 2 favorite colors, black and gold. And I was able to cop this. You can see the sticker. I don't know if that's going to show up, but I was able to cop on Undefeated. This is the second pickup I've ever. I think I picked up these, if I'm not mistaken, from Undefeated. The Element 87s. Got your receipt as well. And let's get straight into it, man. This obviously is for a young lady, so this is a GS pair, but I thought it might not even come in the box that it comes in, but you know, it does. These are a size 6Y. And the label reads Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP GS for grade school, black, metallic, gold, and black. I can even see my reflection in these. It's pretty nice. Give me 1 second. Let me get everything situated, and we'll crack into the sneakers. All right, we're back. So I'll show you guys the box. I'm sure you've seen this 1,000 times. Size label there. See if that focuses in. All right. All right. Got your quality controls green stamp up there. Little waxy paper says Unite on it. Double wrap. I'll just pull out one. Ooh. I do like that smell. Now these are so tiny. All right, let's get into it. Bam. I'll try to get close because since it is an all black sneaker, maybe it get a little bit more of that detail. But you do have this like dark gold accents all around the midsole. You got your bluish translucent outsole, gold Jumpman down here as well with the black. Back there on the spoiler, you have this metallic gold as well. Metallic gold Jumpman on the tongue. Black and metallic gold lace lock. Black and metallic gold insole. And then the highlight of the sneaker is, I don't know if that'll show up. It might just be a, sorry about the lighting once again. But you got that gold dog tag that's hanging off the side of the left sneaker. Now, like I said, these weren't a must for me, and that's why, you know, and you also have a gold inside that air bubble down there is gold as well. That's why it's the lack of excitement for me for this unboxing. Now, these are clean. I've commented on plenty of videos on my fellow YouTubers that got these, saying that these, I'm happy they got the pickup. You know, they're clean, and they are. But everything that retros, everything that's, even if it's dope, it's not necessary for me. Even back when these dropped initially, it's just like, all right, yo, those are cool. But for me, it wasn't a must cop. Like I said, shout out to everybody that copped these though. These are nice. These are nice. Not a necessity for the rotation, for the collection, but definitely a nice pickup, man. And I'm going to get those pairs over to her, get these off my hands. But once again, the only reason for this video is to shout out my boy Squiin. I apologize about the delayed thank you, but thank you nonetheless. I did thank you obviously when I received them, but you do have a platform here on YouTube, and I want it on YouTube. I give the shout out on YouTube, so that's what I'm doing now. Better late than never, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that rock with my channel. Go rock with my boy Squiin as well. I'm about to get out of here. Tired, boss. OV!